Okay. So what I'll do is कि those slicing questions you take 1 or 2 days more, उसको Monday को discuss करते हैं, but we will discuss them for sure. They are very important, right? So slicing का Monday को हम लोग देखेंगे. जो लोगों ने नहीं देखा है, जिन लोगों ने, please work it out. Okay. तो वो चीज़ है, थोड़ा उसके बारे में करना, फिगर आउट करना उसको. ओके. मंडे को विल डिस्कस. आज थोड़ा आगे देखते हैं, नया टॉपिक एक. वी विल सी दैट इज नोन एज हाउ टू यूज use strings in loops. Strings को loop में कैसे use करते हैं? So there are two ways. Let's say your question is.
What about string formatting, sir?
हाँ, we'll take it up. इसके बाद string formatting लेंगे. Okay. But yes, on Monday we'll discuss slicing. All of you should give it a try. ठीक है. देखोगे one from string slicing also. I sent you yesterday. 3 to 5 आया था कुछ उसमें. Okay. So don't take it lightly. So let's say I have a question. Write a Python program to print all the characters of a string one by one. String one by one. Okay. तो उसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Characters of a string one by one में. Let's say you have a string s is equals to hello, and what output I desire is, output that I desire is, it should come like HELLO. Okay. So what we are going to do here? तो
Sir, for loop
यूज करेंगे. For let me 1 minute. What time you have your PTM today?
3:30.
3:30, sir.
I hope all of you have got your marks, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. For I in range 0 to len of s. So what will be the range of numbers generated by this 0 to len of s? बताओ कौन कौन सा नंबर जनरेट होगा इस केस में?
Sir, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 0 to 4 जाएगा ये. So 0 1 this len of s will be 5. Okay, so it will go from 0 to 5. That means 0 to 4 will be generated in the list. 0 1 2 3 and 4. Correct. Now in order to print the characters one by one, we'll simply write print s of I. मतलब I print index character at index position I in s. So first time I will be 0, so s0 will be printed, that is h. Then second time 1 will be taken up from here, I will become 1, s1 will be e. Third time क्या होगा? 2 निकलेगा, l, s of 2 is l, s of 3 next time I will become 3, s of 3 will be l again, and then finally o. Okay, so this way you can do. अच्छा, उल्लास का क्या हो? Power at my house might disconnect any time. Okay. Okay. Let me check how many of you are here, by the way.
Sir,
all are here. Good. Right. तो ये concept समझ में आया? How you can print character by character? Loop में how to use the length of the string, and then starting from 0, how you will go till the traveling every character one by one. So this way. Now, if I ask you a question, there is another way. ये भी देख लो. This is approach 1. Second is approach 2. This is the first way, and what I am writing is this is the first way, and I am doing it again the second way. S is equals to hello. Directly we'll write. This is a new thing, so get it very clearly. For I in, we will directly write S. This S that we have used, and we will print directly I. So what is the difference between these two steps? So see here, in range, you are generating the index positions so that it can be used in indexing, and then one by one you will print. If you directly use the string only, or the identifier for the string, in that case, one by one, the list that will be generated will not contain the index positions. Rather, it will contain the list of values that will be generated here will directly contain each of the characters one by one. H, E, L, L, and O. So if you directly put a string, यहाँ देखो string है, यहाँ पे range use करके we were generating the index position, integer numbers which will be acting like strings. Which will be acting like index positions. We are generating a list of integers. And then along with S, with indexing, we are generating one by one. Here, if you directly write a string, in that case, the list that will be generated inside for will contain the characters itself one by one, starting from first to last. So first time, I will get a character H, I will get a string which will be character H. Second time, and then it will come here. I will be H, H will be printed. Next time, second value from the list will be picked up, which is string E or the single character E. So it will, and that will go inside the variable identified by I. Then you print I, E. Then similarly, third value will be picked up, which will be the third character of the string, which itself will be L string. Similarly, next time fourth L will be picked, and finally O will be picked, which will again be printed inside the body and will be written.
Sir, how is this, sir? Means how?
They have designed it that way. इसलिए मैंने बोला ये नया चीज है, इसको याद रखना है. There is no concept behind it. Behavior you just remember.
Okay.
Okay. So it can be used in two ways. Okay. So I'll write here two ways. First way is this one, and second way is this one. So whenever you are using strings and you want to use you want to scan character by character or traverse character by character in the string, then either you use the range approach, that is by generating the index positions and then using those index value as indexing, or you use the string itself where it will generate the list of strings in loop, and then every time I will get one character itself as a string every time. So here you remember we are writing S of I. Initially the students make the mistake. They will use either one of them, but if they are using range, they will use I, and if they are using S string, then they will use SI, which will be incorrect. Okay, so Aditya is asking, पहले अच्छा आदित्य, आई विल कम बैक टू यू. ये बताओ, ये दोनों अप्रोच समझ में आया? This is a new behavior that you have to remember. Whenever you are using a string, no need to use indexing, directly use the loop variable. One by one, it will be getting one character at a time. If you are using a string, Okay, if you are using integers in the generating index positions, then use indexing, that is SI. And here it will only be I if a string is there. If range is there, that you are generating index position, then SI form you will write, which is nothing but indexing. Is this approach clear to all? How to use loops in two ways?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, clear.
Nanika, Prithviraj, let me know, समझ में आया या नहीं? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So yeah, now Aditya, what you are asking is a string ये pattern. Aditya रुक जाओ, I will discuss those things जो तुम पूछ रहे हो ना. I will come to that in a while. Okay. उस पे आएंगे अभी. We are slowly getting ahead.
So when there's only one number in the range, what does it signify?
I forgot that maybe. Thank you. Let us take it right now. मैंने नहीं बताया ना? Maybe I forgot.
No, sir.
If you write, I'll give some example. Range, if you write only one number, okay? Let's say you write 10. This is equivalent to, okay, this is equivalent to range 0, 10, 1. Okay. So when you are writing only one number, that always signifies end. Okay, so only single argument in range a range function signifies end value. Okay, or implicit मतलब automatically understood.
Start will be 0.
Implicit will be start is equals to 0 and step is equals to 1. ठीक है? Yes, thank you. याद दिलाने के लिए, I forgot.
Sir, if we give negative value of the end thing.
No, that won't work. फिर वो loop चलेगा नहीं. Okay. Because it always considers the starting value as 0. Try करके देखना. Not now. अभी थोड़ा हम लोग आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Okay. Right.
So
So two ways of what? Yes. Any doubt? What signifies start, sir? अरे start मतलब range में लिखते हैं ना. This is the starting value. Which integer will be the first value generated in the list?
no, sir. Like I am asking that if one number we put in the range, it will signify end. So if you put, so what signifies start there? Like,
what signifies start? I am not getting you. Start will automatically be taken as 0.
no, sir. Means if we put a number and that will always be signified as end.
Yeah, if only one single argument is there inside the function, whatever values you write separated by commas, they are known as arguments, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the range, if there is only one argument, it will be only signifying end value. Start will be automatically taken as 0 and step will be taken as 1. If you are writing two arguments in the range function, first argument will signify start value, second will signify end value, and step will automatically be taken as 1. Okay.
So, sir, is there any such thing where if you put one argument, it will be signified as start? Right?
No, there is no such mechanism.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Now, अच्छा एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. ये बताओ. Write a program to print all the characters at even index only. Even index at even index only in a string. कैसे करेंगे इसको?
So we'll
Step
take the
will be 2, sir.
step value
Same
2.
as the previous one.
Yes, Rolvin, what you're saying? You want to see the previous page?
No, sir. The code will be the same as the previous one, except for there'll be a step which is 2.
Step will be 2.
Step
Okay.
value.
Step value will be 2. Any other way?
So can't we do len plus 2? Like,
No. There will be 2 ways. I'll show you both. First way.
So we can extract all the characters and then check its position.
Correct. That is the second way. So, पहले we will accept one string. So we'll write s is equals to int input. क्या लिखेंगे? Yeah.
Nothing, sir. Normal input.
input.
Normal.
Input, sir.
Only input.
Only input. Good. Because we want string only. ठीक है? Input, enter a string. Enter a string. Then we'll write for I in s string. Okay? And we will write, first way I'm solving, if, अच्छा ये इसमें ये काम नहीं करेगा, इसमें रेंज लेना पड़ेगा, because we have to check the index position is divisible by 0 or not. Sorry, divisible by 2 or not. In range 0 to len of s, all the index position, possible index position will be generated, because last index value is len of s minus 1, so we have to go one extra, which is len of s. तो 0 से जो string होगा उसका सारा index positions will be extracted in the form of integers, list of integers here, and then we'll write if I mod 2 is equals to 0. That means the index position which you are
Write the input as enter a word. Right.
Why only word? You can write one sentence also, which can have spaces also.
No, sir, means if the person doesn't know what is the meaning of a string.
Okay, चलो कर देते हैं.
So they can even give a numeric value like string 1 2.
हाँ करेक्ट है, मतलब मैं ये लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे स्ट्रिंग और वर्ड, अब ठीक है, और सेंटेंस, अब ठीक है.
Yes.
Okay. Is equals to 0. We will print what? I. Correct है ये?
Sir, but if the index position is 0, then that also is an even number.
0 is not even. क्या हो गया है तुम्हें इलम?
Even only, sir.
0 even नहीं होता है क्या?
होता है, sir.
तो फिर okay. तो is it correct? Ruchika, you think it is correct? You're there.
Sir, should it be square?
Yes, sir.
It is correct. नहीं, देखो ध्यान से.
Square
I
bracket.
नहीं होगा.
Sir, we should
Not
write
fixed,
print
sir.
s.
How are we printing I over there?
S,
हाँ.
Should be a
It will be s of I. कैरेक्टर प्रिंट करना है ना, वो पोजीशन नहीं प्रिंट करना है, बिकॉज आई विल बी जनरेटिंग 0 1 2 3, तो दिस विल बी इंडेक्स पोजीशंस. तो उस इंडेक्स पोजीशन को चेक करेंगे क्या वो इवन है कि नहीं. इफ इट इज इवन, if that index position happens to be even, we will print the character at that index position and not the index position itself. So you will write s of I. ये चीज ध्यान देना, ये एग्जाम में गलत करोगे तुम लोग. So for example, I'll try run it. Let's say user has given an input here as goodbye. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Now, here, I will take up values one by one from a list generated by range, and that list will be 0 to len of s minus, what is the len of s? 7. 7 characters are there. So it will generate characters from 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. First time, I will get what value? I में 0 आएगा first time. Okay. So I get 0 first time. So what is I, that is 0, divisible by 2? Yes. So what it will print?
G,
S
sir.
of I. So S of 0 will be? S of 0 will be G.
G, sir.
Second time, I will pick up new value from here. So I will get what value? 1. Then it will come inside. So is I, which is 1 at the second iteration or second repetition, is I, which is 1, divisible by 2? Answer is no.
No,
So
sir.
this if body will not be executed. Yes, Kevin.
No, sir, it's not divisible.
Actually, you're not lost. Okay. Okay. Right. So it will not go inside because this is not true. So it will again go back and pick up the third value from here. So third value will be, what is the third value? 2. Is, then it will again come inside. Is 2 divisible by 2 completely? Is the remainder
Yes, sir.
0?
Yes, sir.
It will again come inside and it will print S2. And what is second which character is at the second index
Oh.
position in S?
First O.
That is, you can see first O. नहीं, first O नहीं है, second O है. Okay. So you will say O, which is second. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट लाइन में G प्रिंट करेगा, सेकंड में O प्रिंट करेगा, फिर I will be 3. Is 3 divisible by 2? No. So third character will be excluded. Then next time I will be 4. Okay, new 4 will be picked up. इस तरह करके fourth is 4 divisible by 8? Yes. So B print करेगा. इस तरह करके you will see one will be skipped, one will be printed. One will be skipped, one will be printed. ये approach समझ में आया?
Sir, can't we print like this in the reverse?
We can. Who has stopped you? We'll come to that. अच्छा, पहले ये बताओ, this step is clear. Ruchika, did you understand where you were going wrong? Why we should
Yes, sir.
why we should print S of I and not I? Because I is index position. It will be an integer number. Okay, rather you need to print the character at that index position. Okay, right. Second step is, second way is, you will again input and you will accept, and then you will write here for I in a range, which most of you said, range 0 to len of S, and then you will print, step will be 2. And you will simply print I.
S of I.
print करेंगे?
S of I.
S of I. Good.
S of O.
S of I नहीं, rather इसको बोलोगे I of S, मतलब character at index position I in S. Okay.
S of I भी ठीक है sir.
चलो ठीक है, बोल लेना S of I. मतलब understanding should be there. Right. Actually वो है S I in character at I in S. इसका मतलब ये होता है character at index position I in S. हाँ, पर अपना समझने के लिए short में जो बोलना है बोल. This is the way. Let's say if I twist the question a bit, कि print all the characters at odd positions, odd index positions. What will be the difference in both the steps? First step में क्या difference होगा?
Sir, not
First-
equal to 0.
not equals to 0. This will be changed to यहाँ पे exclamation mark equal to, not equal to, right? What will be the difference in this?
Second
So
one,
will
sir?
it start from 1?
Yeah, it will start from 1.
Yes.
Okay, correct? Now all of you tell me, Bharat and others, समझ रहे हो कि नहीं? Let me know. Shall I proceed to next type? One last question एक बार ले लेंगे, उसके बाद we'll.
Sir, the odd one, what should we do in the second one?
What?
The odd index, what should we do in the second one?
Second one, you start
Yeah.
from 1.
Okay.
अरे पहला कैरेक्टर 1 से शुरू करोगे इंडेक्स पोजीशन, देन
Oh,
सेकंड
okay,
विल बी एडेड टू 3, 5 ऐसे करके जाएगा. ओके
Understood, sir.
ओके ओके गुड. ठीक है पूजा, समझ में आ रहा है? यू आर टू क्वाइट टुडे.
Yes, sir, understood.
Good. One last question we'll see and then मंडे को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. जो अंकित बोल रहा था.
Sir,
Yeah.
from Monday onwards, you'll take 2 classes per day. Sir.
Yeah. I'll
And
try
that
to
will
take
continue
classes. Sorry?
And that will continue till the 2 classes per day. How till
Not
when
every
will it
day.
be?
I'll try to take 2-3 days at max. सारा दिन नहीं. Not every day. See, you have the options open. If you want, I can take during the vacations as well. But that's up to
No
you.
need, sir. You take next week.
No need. Okay. Vacations may you have as much time as possible now. Why you want to use it? Next is write a Python program to print character by character of a string. Character by character of a string in reverse order. तो उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं? Let's say you'll take one string.
Sir, the step value will be -1.
Only step will be -1.
The ending value will be minus
Starting
len.
and ending will also change, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Range. इसमें we cannot use that S approach because if you just simply write S, then it will again prepare a list from starting one by one of all characters. Here you will have to use range only.
Sir, will the ending value be minus len a
Wait.
len s?
No, we'll start from यहाँ से ना. You शुरू कर लोगे तुम len of S. अच्छा. What can you do here? We'll start from -1. We'll go to
Minus len s
minus len.
s.
यहाँ तक जाएंगे या यहाँ तक जाएंगे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One left तक जाते हैं ना if you are coming in reverse.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then -1. Okay, print s of I. First time this will generate a list of integers. Let's say अगर s is equals to hello है. Okay, so अगर negative indexing करेंगे, that is from right to left, this is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Okay, so this will generate a range of integers starting from -1. Every time 1 will be decreased. -2 कहाँ तक जाना है? You have to go to यहाँ पे क्या है? -6 तक जाना है. -6 तक जाओगे तो -5 तक रीच करेगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. This will be the list of integers generated by this range, which will be acting as index position in indexing here. So character at I in S. Okay, at index position I in S. The first time -1 will be picked up in I. So S at -1 will be O. Then second time -2 will be picked in I.
L.
S at -2 will be L. Third time -3
L.
in I. S at -3 is third last character, that is second L from the last. Then E at 4 in I. When I becomes -5, it will be H.
H.
Okay. If you are to display it in the single line, then what you will do?
Sir, end.
End
Correct.
double quotes.
Sep नहीं लिखेंगे ना, sep क्यों नहीं लिखेंगे?
So that is for separators.
Separator.
That is for separated. That is in one time if you are printing multiple arguments separated by comma. But here same argument is there, but at the end of after printing each thing, you don't have to change line. So here you will use end. End is equals to, you can give one space. तो फिर वो कैसे print होगा? In this case, the output will change to
OLLEH.
L, one space, then again space L, again space E, again space H, and again space. But this won't be visible, so ये ऐसा दिखेगा. Okay. It will print each character in the same line without changing the line because you have suppressed the line change character, which is by default \n. Okay. So this output is for this one. Okay.
Sir, it will give space, sir.
Yeah, why not? Because I have given here space. Let's say space दिखाने के लिए मैं ऐसे लिख देता हूँ. Don't write it. There is no such character. Just to symbolize that it is
Sir,
containing.
if you don't give space, it will come as without space.
हाँ,
OLLEH.
without space. तब अगर if you do not give a space, तो फिर वो चिपका हुआ आएगा. It will be stuck to each other.
Okay, sir.
Right. ठीक है. ये बताओ, ये प्रोग्राम सबको समझ में आया? Everyone?
Yes,
And
sir.
if
Yes,
it is
sir.
clear, then we'll wrap it up. All of you let me know. Even the girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
विजय और आयुष का आवाज नहीं आता है बीच में, पता नहीं कहाँ है वो लोग. Okay, चलो ठीक है. On Monday, don't forget to complete those things. I'm so sorry. Again, I forgot. तुम लोगों ने फिर नहीं याद दिलाया. I'll put up the whiteboard today at any cost so that you can practice all the slicing questions. Okay.
Also.
And then we'll make other further progress. इसमें भी बहुत interesting type of questions देखेंगे हम लोग. Okay. Yeah, Arpit,
So
you have
when-
something to say?
Sir, when should we remind you for whiteboard?